Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join private Telegram channel without invite link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here www.telegram.me, and then you need to put the name of the channel. So I'm going to enter, click on search, and here you need to click on that, and here you can see that it is now connecting and opening that group that I'm searching. So here you can see that, and in the bottom you will find an option that is join. Once you click on that, you can easily join a group. So this is our process by which you can join any group on Telegram without invite link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.